Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to access training material that's built into Microsoft Word. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So it definitely provides a nice overview of basic Word functionality. And we're going to go through just how to access this knowledge base. All you have to do is select the Help tab up at the top and select where it says Show Training. Go ahead and left click on that. And now on the right side, it says Word for Windows Training. If you want to search for a specific issue, you can type it in up here, or you can go ahead and select one of the various categories they've already assembled for us. So you just would go ahead and select whatever category you'd want to open here, and you can go right through Quick Start about setting up various applications or issues you may be coming across when first getting accustomed to getting into Word or Excel or PowerPoint. All of the Office programs have very similar features like this, so definitely a nice knowledge base, I would say, just to give you guys a general overview of how to navigate Word, perhaps a little bit more than you are used to. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to access this resource. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.